cook with that. We'll be making white wine chicken scaloppine with asparagus and roasted carrots. Stay tuned. Guys, before we get started, just a few things. First, if you need the recipe guide, click on the link in the description, jumps over to the site. You can follow step by step with the recipe guide. If you need any of the utensils I use in this video or in any of my videos, link in the description, jumps over to the page on the site, and you can see everything I use. Also, this meal is being brought to you by Home Chef, so if you want to try them out for free, link in the description, click the link and check it out. Alright, let's get cooking. So we're working with the following. We have 8 ounces of carrots. We have 12 ounces of asparagus. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have 1 Roma tomato. We have a 1/4 ounce of parsley. We have 2 fluid ounces of white cooking wine. We have 6 ounces of butter. And we have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 13 ounces total, approximately 6.5 ounces each. As always, we'll need a pan. We'll need a baking sheet. We'll need some plastic food wrap. We'll need some aluminum foil. As always, some olive oil. Your favorite knife. We need a peeler to peel the carrot. Salt and pepper. We need, optionally, but you'll see how it's easier if you have a bowl. And you'll need a tenderizer or a heavy pan, and approximately 5 containers to slice and dice the produce. Alright, here are our marching orders. We're going to cut the ends off the carrots and peel them. Next, we're going to trim the woody ends of the asparagus, mince the garlic, core and dice the tomato into 1/4 pieces, and we're going to de-stem and mince the parsley. Pretty simple. Now we're going to prep the carrots and the asparagus to be put on the baking sheet and put in the oven for about 20 minutes. What I like to do is put them into a bowl, put some olive oil in there, put a little salt, a little pepper, and if you want a little kick, always good to add a little granulated garlic. So what we're doing is, first I'm going to take some aluminum foil, add it to my sheet. Now you can't see it, but there it is. We're going to add the carrots to the bowl, some olive oil, maybe 2 teaspoons. Mix it up good, make sure everything's nice and coated well. There you go. Get a little salt, a little pepper, a little granulated garlic. If you like garlic, if you don't like garlic, then don't put it on. Mix that again. Add it to the sheet. And we're going to repeat again with the asparagus. I'm going to try to get it all in one level. So many pieces it might not be possible, but we're going to try. Alright, we'll now take care of asparagus. Same thing. Olive oil. Nicely coated. A little salt. If you want pepper, add some pepper. And a little garlic. Okay. All nicely coated. Now I'm going to add it to the sheet. Again, try to get it all on one level if possible. Get in there. Close enough. Alright, so now this is going into the oven about 20 minutes. Alright, now the fun part. We're going to take the chicken out of the wraps, and then we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap or saran wrap, depending on what brand you use. And then we're going to tenderize it. Make it nice and thin. This is pretty simple. Lay the chicken down, take some saran wrap, cover it up. Try to go this way. Alright, so now that the chicken is now pretty thin, we're going to put salt and pepper on both sides. Before you do this, you should get the pan on nice and hot, so then we can hit the ground running when we're ready to add the chicken to the pan. Flip over and repeat. Alright, ready for pan. Alright, pan's all nice and hot. I'm going to spread the oil around. And now we're going to add the chicken about 3 minutes aside on medium. For about 3 minutes, we're going to flip again. Well, flip, not again, but the one time. And cook for another 3 minutes. Alright, so it's been cooked about 3 more minutes. We're now going to take it out and let it rest for a bit. Let me adjust the camera. See what I'm doing? There you go. So I'm going to put it in the plate, or on the plate. And we're going to take some tin foil and pan it up. Let it rest. Chill for a bit while we go to the next step. Right now we're going to start with a low to medium flame for the sauce. And a little olive oil. About a tablespoon. Add your garlic. And we're going to just let this cook for a bit, maybe 30 seconds or so, just until it's aromatic. And since it's hot already, it should be pretty fast. Next up, we're going to add the white wine. Let that cook for about a minute so most of it's evaporated. Now we're going to add the tomato, parsley, butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that in. About maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes give or take. Alright, and sauce is now done. Veggies are done in about 24 seconds. And we're ready to plate the dish. Pretty sweet. Alright, here we go, plating dish. First up, we can take some asparagus. About half. Take some carrots. Chicken's been resting, it's chilling out. Time to eat it. And the sauce. Put some on the veggies as well. There we go. Ladies and gents, white wine chicken scaloppine with roasted asparagus and carrots. Stay tuned for the review. Guys, the meal is delicious. I've made a few other scaloppine videos. Check them out and you compare one by one, but this is probably one of the best ones out of all 2 or 3 of them I made. I think the garlic added to the carrots and the asparagus gave it a nice kick. Again, meal is delicious, very tasty, very moist, juicy. I think you guys are gonna love it. Try it out yourself. Let me know what you think. That's everything. So if you liked the video, please smash that like button. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, keep cooking.